This is part 2 of how to make handcuffs. After you've went around with the yarn for the second time, you just crochet, you double crochet all the way around. And that's the first thing you do. You just go inside these little things you made the second time around. And after you've gone all the way around, it should look like this. And then what you're going to do, you're going to go in your first stitch, do a half double crochet, and then you're going to chain 8. And then after you've chained 8, you're going to go inside the next stitch, half double crochet. And it's going to make that ruffle. And that's how you make the ruffles on the handcuffs. And you're going to do that all the way around. And then you're going to do it again. So, chain 8 again. And go in next stitch. Chain 8 again. See, they make ruffles. You're just going to do that all the way around, and then you're going to go around again. You're just going to go all the way around, and like I said, do that one more time all the way around until you have this. It will look like this when you're done.